Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to this guide on duplicating items in Animal Crossing using a virtual private network. A VPN allows you to manipulate your network connection, which is key for this method. You'll need to select a reliable VPN provider and install their software on your device. Ensure you choose a server location that offers stable connectivity. Once installed, connect to your chosen server before proceeding with the game. This initial setup is vital for the entire duplication process to work effectively and consistently. Before diving into the duplication, proper in-game preparation is crucial. Select the items you intend to duplicate. For instance, a stack of 99,000 bells or a rare crafting material. Make sure your game is saved and your internet connection is strong before you begin manipulating it with the VPN. Organize your inventory so the target items are easily accessible, perhaps in your pockets or dropped on the ground near your house for quick retrieval. The duplication method itself relies on precise timing and network interruption. You'll drop the items you wish to duplicate, for example, 3 stacks of 99,000 bells. A second player, or a character on another console, must then pick up these items. Crucially, you, as the host, must then disconnect your internet connection using your VPN within a window of approximately 2 to 3 seconds after the items are picked up, but before the game performs its next autosave. It's important to remember that game developers frequently release updates that can patch these types of glitches, so methods may change. Always practice with less valuable items, like a stack of 5 common fruits, to perfect your timing before attempting with rare or high-value items. While this method can be effective, use it responsibly. Over-duplicating could diminish your personal enjoyment of the game's progression and resource-gathering aspects. Proceed with caution and enjoy your duplicated treasures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.